This is Jim Vascard with Daktronics. We're here at InfoComm 24 in Daktronics booth at 2617. I want to talk a little bit about our speed frame technology. That's the silver metal that you see behind or underneath our display systems. Some things that are unique about it: Daktronics manufactures the speed frame. We don't require you to use it, but we have some benefits with this system. We don't require a backer board or plywood behind the frame. There's a sliding metal bracket in the frame itself that allows you to line up with the studs, bolts directly through the frame into the stud itself. But then this frame is also part of the adjustment so that you can take up over a half of an inch of wall variance and still have a flush and true frame system. The other benefits we use is this keyhole system. There's a stud or standoff mounted on the back of the display panel. So instead of having to screw the panels directly to the frame, you just align it with the bolt hole, drop it in, and then once you get all the panels in place, double check it, make sure everything's flush, true, and square. Then you can secure the panels together and then attach the modules in, and you've got a display system. Reduces seam adjustment time, reduces installation of the panel and module time significantly by as much as 2 or 3 times. This is our speed frame system. We'd be more than happy to share more information about it.